Please feel free to subscribe to this sideshow and append any comments and questions, which I shall endeavour to deal with to the best of my theatrical propensities. Because I now want to work through a couple of problems on ratios which require the use of algebra. And I've written them up here for you. First one, 9x squared plus 25y squared equals 30xy. And we want to find what the ratio x to y is. Right, so what I'm going to do, first of all, is rearrange the equation in a form I hope a good many of you will recognize. And I'm going to factorize this. Okay, so when you factorize this, this is in fact an exact square, and it is the square of 3x minus 5y squared. So, equals 0. What this means then is that 3x minus 5y will be 0, and so 3x equals 5y. You divide both sides by y and by 3, what you get is x over y equals 5 over 3. And so the ratio x to y is 5 to 3. That completes the first one. The second one is similar, but only very slightly different, which I'll go through now. So I'll copy that down, 15x squared plus 14y squared equals 31x times y. And again, rearrange it as before so that the right hand side will become 0. So 15x squared minus 31xy plus 14y squared is 0. And I'll now factorize the left hand side, and I think the factors here, you have a 5x here and a 3x here. They'll both be minuses in this particular case, and the other two factors will be 2y over here and 7y over there. I think if you multiply that out, you should get back to the original. So that's 5 to 15x squared plus 14y squared, 21xy, 10xy gives you your 31xy. And so now we have 5x minus 7y is 0, or 3x minus 2y is 0. So the first one of these you'll easily be able to see when you write them in the form that I've written them here, that the ratio x to y will be 7 to 5. And in this particular case, the ratio x to y will be 2 to 3. And that's it, finished. Please feel free to subscribe to this sideshow and append any comments and questions, which I shall endeavour to deal with to the best of my theatrical propensities.